You might be wondering how I got here. The truth is, my friend locked me in the fridge, and it doesn't open from the inside. Why would he do this to me? He was my friend. Why would he have the motive to murder me? It's getting cold now. I can't feel my limbs, and I hear him coming.
These are the events leading up to the betrayal and eventual death of Lincoln's friend.
Hey man, grab the door.
Yeah, I got you.
Why'd you bring so much stuff from the hospital anyways?
Gotta stay fresh 24/7.
Yeah, I guess so. Hey, remember to put that medicine in the fridge. Doctor said keep it cold. What are you waiting for? Get in then.
What do you mean?
You heard me. Get in the fridge.
Excuse me?
Why would he do this to me? Why can't I remember anything? The only thing I remember is coming home from the hospital. I saw cold getting to my head. Think or sink. Wait, I remember now. What kind of hospital was that? Wait a second. Those hands weren't operating on me. They were scanning me. And I wasn't at the hospital. I was at the store. So that must mean I'm not Lincoln's friend. I'm groceries.
Why'd I get so much stuff in the store? I better put this stuff in the fridge so it stays cold. Some milk. Some Sprite. Oh, and my favorite. Cucumbers. Can't wait to eat this.
It turns out he was not coming back from the hospital that day. He was not even Lincoln's friend. He was just a cucumber the whole time.